PEMDAS problem. So 10 minus 2 plus 4 times 2 minus quantity 10 divided by 5 times 2. So PEMDAS, i-apply natin ang PEMDAS rule. So parenthesis, exponent, multiplication and division from left to right, addition and subtraction from left to right. So unahin natin itong nasa parenthesis. Then multiplication and division from left to right. So ito yung mauuna. So copy the rest. 10 minus 2 plus 4 times 2 minus, evaluate this 10 divided by 5, that is equal to 2 times 2. Okay, so ito yung next. So we have 10 minus 2 plus 4 times 2 minus 2 times 2 is 4. And then, so unahin natin yung multiplication. So we have 10 minus 2 plus 4 times 2, that is 8 minus 4. Then from left to right, addition and subtraction. So 10 minus 2, that is equal to 8 plus 8 minus 4. We have 8 plus 8, that is equal to 16 minus 4. So the final answer, 16 minus 4 is equal to 12. So the correct answer is letter A, 12. Follow for more.